The legal battle surrounding Nigerian televangelist Timothy Omotoso continues to polarize South Africa as the National Prosecuting Authority in the Eastern Cape has officially filed for an appeal against the recent High Court ruling in Gqeberha. Last month, Judge Enas Koman cleared Omotoso and his two co-accused of multiple rape and human trafficking charges. The decision sparked immediate backlash, particularly from women's rights group and the African National Congress Women's League, who argued that the justice system has once again failed victims of the gender-based violence. NPA spokesperson Advocate Mthunzi Mhanga stated that the appeals decision was not taken lightly. This is a complex case involving a voluminous transcript. However, after careful analysis by a team of experienced prosecutors and external legal counsel, we believe there are reasonable prospects for a successful appeal, Mahanga explained. The NPA has now taken the first procedural steps by filing papers with the registrars of the High Court seeking clarification on Judge Skuman's factual findings. Only after this clarification can the NPA move forward with a formal appeal based on a question of law as per Section 319 of the Criminal Procedure Act. Yet, amid the legal intricacies and public outcry, a perplexing and controversial element persists. Timothy Omotoso enjoys surprising amount of support from young South African women. Now, outside the court proceedings, groups of predominantly young female supporters have consistently rallied behind the pastor, chanting and holding signs declaring his innocence. They have become a visible and vocal counterforce to the outrage expressed by civil society. Some of these women cite their experiences at his church, claiming that he changed their lives, healed them from spiritual attacks, and offered them hope in desperate times. You guys, now others argue that the media and justice system are targeting him unfairly because of his foreign nationality. And today, Timothy Omotoso was released from prison, you guys, and those are videos of his church celebrating, of course, the Nigerian televangelist release from prison. Anyways, you guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comment section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.